Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by defining a variable for the smallest consecutive number, usually n, because that keeps algebra straightforward. Once done, write the condition the problem gives, for example sum, product, or difference, in terms of n, n plus 1, n plus 2. Make sure to expand parentheses and combine like terms right away so you reduce mistakes later. This first step turns a word problem into a single equation, and it's why choosing n up front makes the rest mechanical and predictable. Now solve the equation you formed. Perform inverse operations to isolate n by undoing additions or multiplications in reverse order. If the equation is linear, you'll get n directly. If quadratic, move all terms to one side, factor if possible, or use the quadratic formula. Remember why you factor: to find integer roots that represent consecutive integers. Once you find candidate values for n, compute n plus 1, n plus 2, as required so you can verify they satisfy the original. Complete the process by substituting your n and the following numbers back into the original statement to confirm they meet the condition. This is how you prove correctness. If you solved a quadratic, make sure to discard extraneous roots that don't match the problem constraints, for example negative values when only positives are valid. If a mismatch appears, recheck algebraic signs and factorization. A single sign error causes most failures. When validated, present the consecutive numbers as your final answer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.